You know, when clients reach out to me looking for a home here in South Florida, they're always asking me for the same three things: proximity to the beach, proximity to shopping and dining, and finally, access to the water. Well, this gorgeous home has all three, and I want to introduce and tour you around it. Behind me is 316 Bontona Avenue. Let's check it out. If you've ever been to Fort Lauderdale, chances are you've strolled down Las Olas Boulevard. And if you've ever found yourself wondering what would it be like to live in one of these gorgeous waterfront homes, or what does $4 million actually get me in a place like this? Well, today you're in luck because you're about to find out. Welcome to 316 Bontona Avenue, located right here on the south side of Las Olas Isles, where in just 5 to 10 minutes walking east, you're at the beach, or head west and you're on Las Olas enjoying world-class shopping, dining, and nightlife. But inside this home, you'll find a level of privacy, design, and livability that feels like your own private resort. As you step inside, you're greeted by stunning double height ceilings, 20 feet tall. And just around the corner, your eyes catch the custom-built, temperature-controlled 300-bottle wine cellar. A little taste of luxury right at the entry. To the left, a versatile bonus space currently styled as a home office but easily convertible into a fourth bedroom, fitness space, or creative studio. Now into the showpiece kitchen. Top tier refrigerator, 6-burner Wolf gas range. This is more than a kitchen, it's a chef's playground. Right off the dining area, your lifestyle opens up, revealing a heated pool and spa, all limestone decking, and your own slice of canal front living. As we come back through the kitchen and over the range, you'll notice the natural gas setup, powering everything from cooking to the grill, pool, and whole house generator. Double ovens, farmhouse ceramic sink, quartz countertops, and a massive walk-in pantry tucked just beyond. And here's the oversized pantry, beautifully finished with built-in cabinetry for style and function. Back in the living room, you'll really start to feel the scale of this home. Soaring ceilings, elegant architecture, and seamless flow, and rich California oak floors. Step outside and the real magic begins. Here you have your natural gas heated pool and spa. Newer seawall which was raised 2 feet, and a dock ready to accommodate up to a 40-foot boat all along the wide 100-foot Grande Canal. And if you're looking to buy or sell in the area, my information is in the description below. Homes like this don't come around often, and they definitely don't stay on the market long. Now, as we make our way towards the entrance, you'll get another look at that wine cellar, 300 bottle refrigerated wine cellar. And as we go past the entry, you'll see the elevator, which gives you effortless access to the second floor. Toward the back of the first floor, you'll find a third bedroom with its own full bath nearby. And the laundry is conveniently located just down the hall. Now let's head upstairs. And yes, that is a genuine Swarovski crystal chandelier, a centerpiece that ties this elegant staircase into the grand living space below. And now into the primary suite, where you can feel that same scale immediately. King size bed, additional furniture, and even a full Pilates machine, and still there's room to breathe. Step out onto the balcony. This is your morning coffee or evening wine moment, overlooking your pool, deck, and canal. And remember, we're facing east, so you can see the sun rise in the morning over here. Now here you have his and her walk-in closet, each fully built out. You have a spa level bathroom with soaking tub, dual vanities, and yes, a full steam shower. And yes, you can call the elevator right from this hallway. Across the hall, you'll find what functions as a second primary suite, flooded with natural light, a spacious layout, and of course, its beautiful full bath with restoration hardware fixtures, and its own walk-in closet as well. Now let's make our way down, taking in one more view of the living room from above. And we'll look at the entryway from above so you can get another peek at that beautiful chandelier. If you're looking for the perfect combination of elegance, location, and waterfront lifestyle, look no further. This is it. Here we'll pass through the living room into the kitchen once more, because it is really the heart of the home. Now, I did overlook this earlier. This is your half bath, which doubles as a cabana bath that leads you directly out to the pool area. Schedule your private showing today or reach out for more details. The easiest way to reach me is send me a quick text or book a one-on-one time to speak with me in the link below. Again, my name is Juan Iarussi with Compass, your South Florida realtor. Thanks for coming along, and until the next one, stay savvy, stay informed, stay ready, and I'll see you on the next one.